Hi, welcome to Java tutorial. Here I am discussing about the switch cases. What is switch cases? Unlike if and if-else statement, the switch statement can have a number of possible execution paths. A switch works with the byte, sort, char, and int primitive data types. It also works with enumerated types, the string class, and a few special classes that wrap certain primitive types: characters, byte, short, and integer. If I see an example of switch cases here, we have taken a class switch demo, and here our main method is there. Here I have taken a variable, integer variable, and initialized by 3, and here I have taken a variable string, month string, and here our switch cases is this. Inside of switch cases I have passed an argument like month, and here we can see that inside our switch body our case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and default is there. If our argument will match if any other this cases, then that case will be executed, otherwise our default case will be executed. Here we have initialized month is equal to 3, then our case 3 will be executed. We can see this example in Eclipse. Here we can see that the month is equal to 3, and our switch case 3 will be executed here. Then our output should be March. Here we can execute. Here we can see that our output is March. If we change our month is equal to 4, then we can see the output, it should be April. Here we can see the output will April. If we here give and any other cases which is not present inside our switch body like 5, then our default case will be executed. Here we can see invalid month is there. Thank you for watching this video.